Hello and welcome guys to our channel. So today we are going to learn about functions in Swift. In previous topics we learned some theory topics like what is variable and what are data types in Swift. After that we covered some videos on Swift UI. If you don't watch it that videos and so just go to the our channels ISBK and just watch this video and after this we are going to learn some theory topics on functions that are also useful in our Swift UI apps. So without wasting time, let's get started. So first of all, we are going to learn about inbuilt function in Swift UI. So I will just give some examples of inbuilt functions. There are a lot of inbuilt functions in Swift UI which you learned while you are coding or while you are doing some learning things in Swift. So just start with inbuilt functions. So just I am going to give you some examples of like power function. Power function is used to find the power of any number. So if you type POW and then parenthesis, it will auto complete it. Then just add first value that which number you want to find and how much power you want to find. So after this you can run and here you can see the output. It just don't show in console because I don't use print statement on anything. Just see here that our output. After this, if we are going to find a ceiling function of some number, then just use ceil and number you want to find. That this is the ceiling function of this. If you want to find the floor function of some numbers, then just go write this floor and in parentheses provide the number you want to find. Here you can also get to. So these are the basic inbuilt functions in UI. So just start. That's it for functions inbuilt functions. Then after this we are going to learn about the functions, that how we can define our own functions in our app, and this is very important topics in Swift UI application development. So just stay tuned in this video and do practice of these things what I am going to cover in today's video. So just first of all, what are the syntax to define the function? So syntax is quite pretty simple. Just you need to use func keyword and then space, give your function name. I am giving to one and then just use parenthesis and use curly braces. Yes, you defined your function and in this function you just need, I am just going to print some things like 10 plus 10. Okay, after successfully defining the function, we have to call the function by its name, which we give here. So just type func1 and it will autocorrect or auto suggest and run the code and just see in console that this is the number that we print in our function, and we can call our function as many times as we want. I am calling in 3 times. It will simply print 3 times 20. 3 times 20. So the function is very necessary in our app while we are doing some complex apps, and so that's all this for this video, and I am also going to cover some more things on functions like functions with parameters and functions with their return type, and also one parameters with argument labels. This is the new concept in Swift. So we are going to cover it in next session. So that's it for today. If you like our video, then hit the like button. If you want some more videos and more iOS tutorial stuffs, then just subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you can get the latest video notifications. And if you have any query in Swift UI development, and if you have any query in Swift language, so just mention it in comment section. I will definitely answer the questions of yours. And that's all for today. Thanks for watching, and meet you guys in next videos. Until then, stay home, stay safe. Goodbye and Jai Hind.